Welcome back to Next Gen Digital, where we bring you the latest insights on productivity, technology, and all things digital. If you have been navigating the world of remote work, you know how challenging it can be to stay on top of your game. But fear not, because today I've got a game plan to help you master remote work and skyrocket your productivity. So, friends, stay tuned because these 8 tips are absolute game changers. Before we dive into these golden nuggets of remote work wisdom, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks for the digital world. Now, let's get down to business. Let's start with tip number 1. Create a Zen workspace. Your environment plays a pivotal role in how you approach work. Designate a space that resonates with tranquility and focus. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. Keep your workspace organized by decluttering regularly. According to the National Association of Professional Organizers, NAPO, the average person spends a staggering 1 year of their life searching for misplaced items. This equates to over 8,700 hours wasted in pursuit of lost belongings. NAPO also mentions that 80% of the items we keep are never used. Imagine how streamlined our lives would be if we only kept things we used. So file away documents, keep only essentials on your desk, and invest in some smart storage solutions. Consider adding a touch of greenery. Plants not only freshen the air but also create a calming atmosphere. Studies show that being close to the nature, even indoors, can improve concentration as well as productivity. There is enough evidence that both deep work and nature connection can have positive effects on well-being, productivity, as well as your creativity. A research has shown that spending time in nature can improve mental health, reduce stress and anxiety, and boost your creativity. Natural light is a game changer. Position your workspace near a window to benefit from natural light. It can boost your mood and energy, making work more enjoyable. Add a personal touch or an inspiration board. It could be motivational quotes, pictures of loved ones, or a vision board displaying your goals. These reminders can keep you focused and motivated throughout the day. Also consider including calming elements like scented candles or an essential oil diffuser. Aromatherapy can also reduce stress and create a serene ambiance conducive to your productivity. Invest in good chair and ensure your desk is at the right height to promote good posture. Your physical comfort significantly impacts your mental focus and productivity. So friends, remember, a Zen workspace is not just about aesthetics. It is about functionality and setting the stage for a productive day. Craft an environment that nurtures your mind and sets the stage for success. Tip number 2 is daily goals. Start your day with a clear to-do list. Plan your tasks, set priorities, and stick to your schedule. This simple yet powerful practice can transform your productivity game entirely. By setting clear objectives and laying out your tasks, you are providing yourself with a roadmap for the day's accomplishments. So creating a to-do list involves more than just jotting down tasks randomly. It's about structuring your day, setting priorities, and ensuring that you allocate your time efficiently. Identify the most critical tasks that need your attention and arrange them in order of importance. In today's digital age, there are numerous productivity apps available that can assist in managing your to-do list efficiently. Apps like Todoist, Trello, or Asana not only helps you in creating task lists, but also enables collaboration, deadlines, and progress tracking, especially beneficial for remote teams. The Pomodoro Technique, a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s, has become a favorite among productivity enthusiasts and remote workers. This technique revolves around breaking work into focused time intervals, usually 25 minutes, separated by short breaks. So after each Pomodoro, take a short break of about 5 minutes. Use this time to stretch, grab a drink, or briefly step out from your workspace. These breaks are essential for rejuvenation and maintaining your productivity. Apps like Focus at Will or traditional timers like the Tomato Timer can be excellent companions in implementing this technique. Use reliable communication tools to stay in touch with your team. Being in the loop is always crucial. Effective communication is the cornerstone of success in any remote work environment. Given the distance and potential for misinterpretation, clear and efficient communication becomes even more crucial. Video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Microsoft Teams offer face-to-face interaction, fostering a sense of connection amongst the remote team members. Instant messaging apps such as Slack or Microsoft Teams chat allow for quick exchanges, enhancing the real-time communication. For global or diverse teams, cultural sensitivity is paramount. Understanding cultural nuances, language differences, and time zone variations is essential for respectful and effective communication. Don't forget to get up and stretch. Don't forget to schedule regular movement breaks throughout your workday. Whether it's a quick walk around your space, stretching exercises, or even a few yoga poses, these physical movements can invigorate both your body as well as mind. Integrating movement breaks into your routine doesn't just serve your physical health, it also impacts your mental sharpness. It revitalizes your energy levels, keeping you alert and focused during your work tasks. And finally, consider setting reminders or alarms on your phone or computer to prompt movement breaks. Fueling your body. Healthy meals and snacks are essential. A well-nourished body leads to a well-functioning mind. Healthy meals are the building blocks of a productive day. Incorporating a balance of nutrients, fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, provides your body with energy that is required to power through your tasks. Begin your day with a nutrient-packed breakfast. Whether it's a hearty oatmeal bowl, a colorful fruit salad, or protein-rich eggs, a well-rounded breakfast sets the tone for sustained energy and mental clarity. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is essential for optimum bodily function and cognitive performance. Keep a water bottle handy to sip throughout the day, ensuring you remain adequately hydrated. Effective note-taking is an indispensable skill, amplified by the use of digital note-taking apps. Create different notebooks or folders for distinct topics, projects, or categories. This ensures your notes are neatly sorted and easily accessible when needed. Leverage features such as tagging, highlighting, and formatting. These functionalities aid in marking important points, categorizing information, and making your notes visually appealing and easy to navigate. I've done various YouTube videos on this channel on Evernote and similar note-taking apps that you might want to check it out. I will leave the links below. Acknowledge your accomplishments and reward yourself. A little positive reinforcement goes a long way. Celebrate achievements is a simple yet potent strategy to boost morale and encourage continued success. Make it a habit to track your accomplishments, both big and small. This can be as simple as keeping a list of completed tasks, meeting milestones, or achieving goals. Remember, no achievement is too insignificant to celebrate. Moreover, celebrating achievements is more than a pat on the back. It's a form of self-motivation. It's an opportunity to appreciate your hard work and dedication in the often challenging landscape of remote work. And there you have it, folks. 8 game-changing tips to master remote work and take your productivity to the next level. Remember, the key is consistency and finding what works best for you. So let me ask you a question. Which tip are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your fellow remote workers. For more digital insights, subscribe to NextGen Digital, where we are on a mission to help you thrive in the digital age. Until next time, stay productive and embrace the future with NextGen Digital.